This ought to be interesting here. Old boy done went and got his hair did. Said he was going to get a perm put on that mullet. Bring it over here, let me see it. I can't deal with this dude, y'all. You just don't know. Here he comes. I'll see what we're dealing with. Did you even get your hair did? You get it? Whoa!
What?
You get it cut?
Yeah, I got it cut.
Let's look at
She
it.
didn't have time to perm it though. Yeah.
Oh, crap. All right, y'all. So it is Wednesday. I'm back at it today. I got me some wire where I ran out yesterday. Got my other flat bar welded on, and I was going to show y'all. This is what I'm trying to do right here. I'm going to weld on. I'm making 6 of these, 3 on each side. Then this thing here, as you can see, is going to hook around it, and that's what's going to hold my bottles on. What I got here, and I just finished welding it, so it's really hot. My bottles are going to stand up in here, and these things here are made to keep it from going side to side. And then I got this here that my straps are going to hook to. And whether I got a single bottle or double bottles on each side, I got it finished up. And that is how the bottle sits in there. See, that's like a little saddle in there that holds it from being able to go side to side. And then my straps are gonna hook here and here.
What is the name of the...
Obviously, Mama's home.
What about Cracker Barrel?
Where we going?
Logan's Roadhouse.
Where we going?
We're trying to come up with...
And that-
Homecoming court. Football game. Chase made homecoming court for his senior year at school.
Make it. He got nominated because it's a race weekend, and he wasn't very excited about it.
About his peers nominating him and writing his name in, which is such an honor. Where are you taking Taylor to dinner Saturday night? Because it's only appropriate that you take her to dinner since she volunteered to go with you. There's all kinds of... Oh, you could go to Texas Roadhouse. Y'all could go to...
Steakhouse.
You want to do Texas Roadhouse?
Saltgrass.
That's too far. It's way out of the way. I'm not letting them drive that far.
It's the beach.
Go to the steamer.
That's further than
We can
Saltgrass.
double date.
Oh, we could do that. Y'all want us to take you?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Chaperone. Man, did you see that lot?
I did. That's a great idea. We should totally take them to their homecoming. Yeah. We can take the motorhome.
Yeah.
They can sit at the table.
Yeah. Awesome.
Oh, that's right. It's your sister's homecoming too. She's going to come with us too.
Hey, I mean, y'all really, the part that hurts the most is I ain't going to get the races with you.
Well, it was going to rain anyway.
Yeah, there's a hurricane.
But Why Not did pop up with that race up there, and
that really hurt.
That was a kick in the gut right there.
Everything's not about racing. We have to do other things too.
Right, yeah.
But homecoming is pretty stressful.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, we don't get you out enough.
Hey, you hooked that trailer up right, didn't you?
Do we have the four-wheeler?
Yes, we do, but he's being smart. Wanting to, yeah, I hooked the trailer up. It's on.
Did you do it right?
You know I did. I ain't no rookie. All right, so what are we going to tonight? What exactly is it?
It's actually a powder puff
So
game.
we're
not
bringing
even
a
football
full
game.
For Chase to get presented on the football field by one of the senior maid girls.
Okay.
And then I get to walk him across the football field.
Oh, why don't I get to?
Because I'm a female and you're a man, and I never got to do the homecoming thing.
I was Mr. Mom this week.
I've been mom for
Do y'all
17
both want to walk me out?
Can
I'm
we?
sure Miss Roberts would allow it.
Link arms.
Yeah, you get on one side, Mommy's on the other. 3 Musketeers.
I guess I could share, but who's going to video?
You got 2 aggravating girls that could do it.
Chase, you're so mean to me. All right.
This is, of course, our 2020 Powder Puff game. This is a homecoming tradition that we have at CCA where the female students get to participate on the field, and then we introduce the Dukes as chosen by their peers and crown our king. The second Duke of the night for the senior class is Chase Alexander Holland. Chase's parents are Chavis and Adrienne Holland, and he is escorted tonight by his mother, Adrienne Holland. Chase has attended CCA for 4 years and was saved on October 18th, 2013. Chase's favorite Bible verse is Matthew 19:26, where it says, "With men this is impossible, but with God all things are possible." Chase's future plans include the hopes that he can become a professional dirt track racer. Ladies and gentlemen, your second 12th grade Duke representative, Chase Alexander Holland. His mother, Suhei Robles. David has attended CC. All right, and now the moment you've all been waiting for, presenting the crown tonight. 2020 Christian Collegiate Academy Homecoming King is Gregory Haywood. Tonight.
That jugger been vacuuming and polishing on that truck all morning. He's gonna have it looking good. I'm just glad he still got a tailgate after that trailer mishap he had the other day. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. It's Saturday. This right here is where I'm gonna roll up my torch leads onto this thing right here. You know, my gauges and my bottles and gauges are gonna be right here. I'm gonna roll the torches up here. And then let me show you back here. This is for my welding leads to roll up on. I got this tailgate that's gonna open right here. And I'll be able to roll one set up on this side and the other set up over here on this side. And my welding machine's going right in the middle. We're getting there, won't be long, and we'll be burning some wire and making some money with this thing.
Dude, all you need's a mask and you can be a part of the coronavirus prevention program.
Yeah.
What are you
Where's
doing?
your face covering?
I'm like 12 feet apart
Social
from you.
distance?
Yeah, yeah.
Right. I'm cleaning parts
Why are they dirty?
because they've been sitting on my table for months.
Why they been sitting?
Because we've been working, son.
What we been working on?
Let's get some stuff done.
What kind of parts are we talking about
I'm
here?
fixing to clean up these
Oh
engine
man, this
parts.
is a mess.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Alright, so do you want to tell them the news or you want me to?
What's that?
About our motor?
Tell them.
Well,
Well,
we are getting our other motor back. And to make it even worse, not really even worse, but we're fixing to take the Wildcat out and put our other motor in because we're going to a big show up at Why Not. Last year we showed up, showed out, and this year we're hoping to win the whole thing. And we just don't know if the Wildcat is capable of doing it, so we're fixing to stab the
we know what
Old Faithful in
what
there.
we run on a regular basis up against, and we've been doing well, but there's always that wonder, what if we had our good engine, our big engine in here, and we finally fixing to put her back together.
Yeah, we ain't gonna be wondering.
Yep.
So anyways, I'm fixing to pull this right side door off and put this hood somewhere, that way none of it can get messed up. And we're fixing to change the motor. So y'all stay tuned. That's all. I don't really think there's anything top secret about this. All of our stuff's covered up at this point. So, doors off. Now we gotta just pull the hood off and put tires on it, and then whenever he's ready, we'll get it working.
So we're gonna be pulling the Wildcat out in the next video, and we're picking up our other engine this week. And I went to pick it up yesterday, and I had delivered my rocker arms and things for them to finish buttoning them up. And when I got there yesterday evening, they showed me my rocker arms, and they were, you know, even though they were only a season old, all the rollers were binded up when you put pressure on them and rolled them. And you know, and I told Mr. Tim, I said, we don't want to put no junk back in here. You know, we've taken the time and pulled this thing out, and we're making the repairs, so we don't want any problems. So if we know something's wrong, let's pull it, order a new set. So he's gonna overnight us some, and that's just gonna set us back a day or so, but it'll be right, and that's what we're looking for. And I know anything can happen, but if you see something like that, you want to go ahead and fix it and not hope that it's gonna be okay, or fix a couple of them and hope that the rest are okay. So anyway, we got a new set of roller rockers coming. And once we get those on, I'll pick our engine up. We should have this dude pulled out, and it's just going to be slinging parts after that. And we, like I said, we got our shocks and everything. And we got a lot of really great people that help us behind the scenes. And, you know, we're not comfortable enough yet to run in and put a camera in their face. I don't want to put them on the spot like that, but over time, I'm sure as these relationships continue to grow and they see what we're doing, and I think we'll be able to at least get a little bit of video here and there on our engine builder and probably our setup guy. We may could get Noah on camera. But anyway, there's just so many people to thank, all the sponsors. We don't even have all the sponsors on the car yet. We got a couple more to add to it, and you know, we'll be getting that as we go. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, whatever, drop them in the comment section there. And Chase and I both read all the comments, so we try to reply to y'all. And if we don't, I apologize. We may overlook some here and there, but for the most part, one of the two of us replies, mostly him, replies to every single comment on our YouTube and Facebook. So thank y'all for following along. Thank y'all for helping us continue to grow, and we really appreciate it. And we look forward to seeing y'all at a track somewhere. Later.